How to save Snapchat stickers to camera roll. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can save Snapchat stickers. For that, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and also make sure that the Snapchat is up to date. Now go ahead and take a photo or video. Simply tap on the stickers icon from the right hand side of the screen and add a sticker that you like. Adjust the size of the sticker according to you and then tap on the save button. You can either save it to your memories only or you can save it to memories and camera roll. Just simply go ahead and choose one of these options and your Snapchat sticker will be saved as a photo in your gallery. Another thing you can do is you can open the chat or the sticker picker. Then make the sticker as large as possible on your screen. Then take a screenshot and open your phone's gallery, crop the screenshot to include only the sticker and save. You can also open Bitmoji app, which is connected to Snapchat. Find the sticker that you want and long press the sticker and select save image. The sticker will be saved to your phone's camera roll. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.